Problem set 2.2. First example is show that 4 into under root 2 is an irrational number. Solution. By contradiction method. Contradiction method. What is the contradiction method? We suppose that, or suppose 4 under root 2 is a rational number. Okay, let 4 under root 2 is equal to p by q. Okay, where p by q is a rational number, q is not equal to 0. Is rational number, q is not equal to 0. Therefore, under root 2 is equal to p upon 4q. Now, RHS of 1 of equation 1 is a rational number. RHS p by q is a rational number, and therefore p upon 4 by p by 4q is also a rational number. Now what about the left side here? Under root 2 is a rational number. So, but under root 2 LHS is equal to under root 2 is an irrational number, and therefore this irrational is equal to rational. How it is possible? And therefore our supposition is wrong. And therefore what is right here? What is the supposition here? 4 under 2 is a rational number, and therefore 4 under root 2 is an irrational number. Example, prove that 3 plus under root 5 is an irrational number. Solution. Suppose 3 plus under root 5 is a rational number. Therefore, or let 3 plus under root 5 is equal to p by q, where p by q is a rational number, so that q is not equal to 0 here. Therefore, if you transfer 3, you will get under root 5 is equal to p by q minus 3, number 1. Now, here, so this is a rational number, p by q is a rational number, 3 is a rational number, and therefore their subtraction is a rational number, and therefore RHS of equation 1 is rational number, and LHS of 1 is an irrational number. Means irrational is equal to rational. How it is possible? Therefore, this contradicts to our supposition. Therefore, 3 plus under root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Represent the number root 5 and root 10 on a number line. So actually you already learn. So under root 2 is on a number line. I draw a perpendicular here from 2. So this distance is nothing but here 2 unit. I take a distance of 1 unit here. This is 1 unit. Distance is 1 unit. Suppose this is O, this is A, and this is B. Suppose we consider. I join this OB. Consider number line. Let OA is equal to 2 unit. Draw ray AB perpendicular to number line at point A. Take OA is equal to 1 unit. Take AB is equal to 1 unit. OA is equal to 2 unit is already taken. Now, in triangle OAB, angle A is equal to 90 degree. If you apply the Pythagoras, then OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Now OA is equal to 2 units, so I write 2 whole square. AB is equal to 1, so 1 whole square. So 2 square, that is equal to 4, and 1 square, there is 1, and therefore this is equal to 5. OB square is equal to 5, therefore OB is equal to root 5 unit, whatever may be, and therefore here this is under root 5. Now here, to show the number under root 5 on a number line, what to do? Take OB, which is equal to root 5, as a radius, and O as a center. Okay. Draw an arc which cuts number line at point C. Therefore, length OC is equal to root 5. So here, what to do here? You will get like this. If you take this, then here is a point C. You will get C point, and therefore this much distance is nothing but under root 5. So in this way, we can find out the under root 5 on the number line. Okay. Now, to find the secondly here to find under root 10 on number line. Okay, similar process we can done here. We take here O, suppose this is point is nothing but D point here, OD, and this is how many? OD is nothing but 3 unit. Again you have to draw a perpendicular ray at point D. Take a point E here such that it is also of 1 unit, DE, and then here join the OE. Okay, and there, since it is a OD is equal to 3 unit and this is 1 unit, again you can apply the Pythagoras, you will get OE is equal to root 10. And then here take a distance OE as a radius and O as a center. Draw an arc which cuts the number line at point F, so that this OF length must be equal to under root 10 according to here. Okay, so here take OD is equal to 3 unit DE perpendicular to number line, DE is equal to 1 unit. So OE is equal to root 10. Okay. So take OE as radius and O as center. Draw an arc which cuts number line at point F. Okay, so that length of OF is equal to under root 10. Okay, in this way we can show under root 5 under root 10 on number line. Any three rational number between two number given below. Now here 0.3 is a rational number terminating, and here minus 0.5 is also a rational number, so it is a negative here. Now if you consider, suppose if you consider minus 0.5 here and here is 0.3 here. Okay, suppose this is a negative direction. Now we already know this is a greater one, this is a smaller one. Okay, now we know that here in between on a number line, in between 2 points here there are infinite number of points. Okay, so we have to choose that point here. Now according to midpoint theorem here, so if A and B are two extreme point here and there must be one of the midpoint, so that here this distance are same here. Okay, now this coordinate of this point M can be find out by this coordinate here, coordinate of point A, x coordinate, or whatever may be the y coordinate here. So coordinate of point A and coordinate of point B plus B divided by 2. This is exactly in the middle of this here. Okay, so suppose this is a 2 and this is a suppose 4, and therefore this must be nothing but here 2 plus 4, that is equal to 2, and this is nothing but 6 by 2 is equal to 3. This must be the point 3 here. Okay, so it must be equidistance from both the end. म्हणजे इथून इथपर्यंत एक आणि इथून इथपर्यंत एक युनिट एवढ्या अंतरावर तो राहील. समजा हा 2 पॉईंट असेल, मग हा 4 असेल तर हा किती 3. याच पद्धतीने आपल्याला शोधून काढायचे आहे. सो हियर देअरफॉर now the rational number between minus 0.5 and 0.3 is equal to, दोघांची बेरीज करूया, 0.5 plus 3 0.3 divided by 2. So this is equal to minus 0.2 upon 2, that is equal to minus of 0.1. So this is equal to minus 0.1. Again the rational number between minus 0.1 and minus 0.3 is given by is equal to 0.3 minus plus minus 0.1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.2 by 2, that is equal to 0.1. So 0.1 plus 0.1 is the another rational number. Suppose this is A and B here. These are the 2 points here. These are the two numbers. Minus 0.1 and my 0.01 are the two numbers in between 0.5, minus 0.5 and 0.3. Minus 0 point here 2.3 can be written as minus 2.300 and minus 2.33 can be written as minus 2.330. Okay, so the rational number between minus 2.300 and minus 2.330. Okay. Now is equal to minus 2.300 plus minus 2.330 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 4.630 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 2.315, like this. Second, the rational number between minus 2.300 and minus 2.315 is given by, this is equal to minus 2.300 plus minus 2.315 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 4.615 divided by 2, that is equal minus 2.3075. Third, the rational number between minus 2.315 and minus 2.330 is equal to minus 2.315 plus minus 2.330 divided by 2. Okay, so that is equal to minus 4.645 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 2.3, then 2, and then 2, 5. So minus 2.3225. okay, so here how can you write here, how can you show here? Suppose this point is nothing but 0.323 here, like this, minus 0.330, and here is minus 2.330 like this here. त्याच्यानंतर जो पॉईंट आला मधला, हा पॉईंट इथे आहे, हियर फर्स्ट पॉईंट minus 2.1. याच्यानंतर आपण जे काढलेलं आहे ते धिस पॉईंट अँड धिस पॉईंट यांच्या मधातला पॉईंट काढलेला आहे, तो मधातला पॉईंट तुम्हाला हा मिळेल, दॅट इज इक्वल टू 2.300 minus 2.3075. आणि आता आपण या दोघांमधला पॉईंट काढून आलो, दिस पॉईंट, आणि म्हणून तो येईल हियर minus 2.3225. माइंड 0.33, 0.32, 0.31, 0.3075 and 0.30, 0. Okay, so here 0.30 here, like this here. So here this number is increasing here because it is negative here. या पद्धतीने आपल्याला हे जे नंबर आहे, नंबर here, this point here, this is first point A, this is second point B and this is third point C. या पद्धतीने आपण ते पॉईंट काढून आलो. अँड ऑल दीज आर नथिंग बट अ रॅशनल नंबर्स. कोणत्याही दोन नंबरच्या मधामध्ये काढायचे असेल तो हिअर वी कॅन युझिंग द मिड पॉईंट थेरम हिअर. ओके, सो द सम ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रीम पॉईंट डिवायडेड बाय 2 यू विल गेट अ मिड पॉईंट हिअर. कोणते दोन पॉईंट घ्या आणि त्याच्यामधला पॉईंट काढा, कोणते दोन पॉईंट घ्या त्याच्यामधला पॉईंट काढा, यू विल गेट अ सक्सेसिव्ह पॉईंट 1 2. इफ n is natural number n is natural number and n is not equal to 1, A is positive rational number. A is positive rational number, non negative, positive rational, so that or such that nth root of A is an irrational number, then nth root of A is called as surds. Example, under root 2, under root 3, and here 3 under root 5 are called as surds. These are called the surds. Here A is called as radical sign and n is called as order of surd. This is called as order of surd here. Okay, so this is a radical sign and here A is the radicand. A is called as radicand and n is called as order of the surds. Consider under root 72. This can be written as 36 into 2. This can be written as 6 root 2. Okay, 36 is nothing but here 6 root 2. So this is the simplest form here. Okay, now in this case here this is called as mixed surd and this is called the pure surd here. So there is a difference between them here. Similarly here if you take a 2 under root of 5, okay, so this is a mixed surd. This can be converted into what? Another here. If you solve this is here is 2 into 2, 2 square into 5 because here the order is 2 and therefore we have to introduce here. इथे ऑर्डर 2 आहे, नाही लिहिला म्हणजे 2 आहे तर आपल्याला 2चा स्क्वेअर घ्यावा लागेल. 2 स्क्वेअर इंटू 5 दॅट इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 5 अँड 4 इंटू 5 इज इक्वल टू वॉट हिअर 20. म्हणजे असं जर लिहिलं असेल तर आपल्याला असं कन्वर्ट करता येते आणि असं जर लिहिलं असेल तर या पद्धतीने कन्वर्ट करता येते. इट मीन्स हिअर दिस इज अ प्युअर सर्ड आणि प्युअर सर्डचा रूपांतर आपल्याला मिक्स सर्डमध्ये करता येते आणि मिक्स सर्ड दिलं असेल तर आपल्याला कन्वर्ट इंटू वॉट 2 सर्ड्स, 2 or more surds are said to be similar or like surds if their order and radicand are same. म्हणजे त्याचे ऑर्डर आणि रेडिकंड हे सेम असायला पाहिजे. एक्झाम्पल 5√2 minus 8√2. Okay, so here these are nothing but a like side. Here order is 2 and radicand is this much. Second example, here 9 cube root of 5 and 12 cube root of 5. So here this order are same and radicand also same, and therefore these are nothing but a like side. Okay, so we can add and subtract if the surds are like side.